Sometimes we just need a quick HTTP endpoint like for testing a front end, mocking an API response, or showing a quick demo. But spinning up a server usually means a lot of dependencies and boilerplate code. Let's see how we can solve this problem using Java's built-in HTTP server, which is available since Java 6, which will help us to create a server in minutes. All we have to do is first we need to create an instance of HTTP server using http server.create, wherein our server will listen on port 8080. Then we need to create the context with path wherein our request will be forwarded. So here we have created one simple path slash hello. Whenever a request is received with this path, it will be forwarded here. Now within this method, we will process our request. For simplicity, what we have done is we are just logging the request URI. Then we are constructing our response headers, wherein first header that we will send is content type, which will say text slash plain. Then we will send our custom header with name ABC and value as XYZ. And while sending the response, we will send the HTTP status code as 200, and then we are sending the response body which contains the word hello, and here we have specified the same that our response body length is 5. Then we are calling the context.close, which will simply flushes and closes the response string, and it will indicate our HTTP server that the request processing has been completed. Now once our HTTP server instance is created, we need to start our HTTP server. So let's start our application. So now our server is started. We need to send the request to our HTTP server, for which I will open the terminal and I will send a request to hello endpoint. So you will see now we have received the response with body as hello, with our custom header ABC with value XYZ, and content type is text slash plain. Now since we were logging our request, let's see it is also printed here. And that's it. In under a minute, you have a working HTTP server which is purely written in Java. No extra frameworks are required. So give it a try and happy coding.